What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell, that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. I'm going to give you guys a brief overview of everything that she sent me, minus the teeth whitening kit, because like I said, I'll probably do that in a separate video if you guys care. So in this box of goodies, she sent me this Too Faced Pretty Mess palette. She sent me this whole deck of Scarlet vault of lip glosses and lip toppers. She sent me this Dermalogica Redness Relief Essence Ultra Calming. I'm not sure if this is like a serum or, you know, or a wash or whatever, but I'm not totally sure on that. Then she sent this Makeup Geek Dual Chrome Highlighter in the shade Electrify, and it looks really cool, really nice. She also sent this Bolshia Peptide Trio Eye Cream, and it looks like this. Really nice, and I can't wait to try it. I actually ran out of eye cream, so she really looked out for me. We also have this e.l.f. times what is this? Hissa or J Tissa? I don't know what this is called, but it's this e.l.f. palette right here. I said that this was really interesting because it had like that pretty neon in there and everything, but I never was going to pick it up for myself. But now that she gifted it to me, I get to try it, so best of both worlds. Also, she gifted me this Lottie London Shimmer Squad, and I already have a ton of highlighters, and this is not really unique to me enough to keep it and enough that I would use it a lot, so I'm probably going to gift it to my mom or anyone who can use this. I've already swatched it, and like I said, I know that I already have similar shades and colors, but thank you, NitraaB, because now I get to gift that, you know, to someone else that can use it. I also was given this CoverGirl True Blend Base Business, and it's pore minimizing, and I really am starting to run out of primers, so I'm really glad that I received this as a primer. I think I heard people saying good things about this, so prayerfully that is the case, and I am able to use it, and it's really nice. She also gifted me this Anastasia Beverly Hills tweezer, and I heard that their tweezers are the business. Let's see if we can focus. I heard that their tweezers are the business, so I'm really excited to use that as well. Also, she gifted me this NARS, I think it's a lip topper or lip gloss, but it just looks like this, and it's really huge, so I probably won't, you know, run out of it anytime soon. This one doesn't have a particular smell. Oh, and I wanted to remind you guys that the deck of Scarlet lip glosses that she gifted me, they smell amazing. They smell like vanilla frosting and cupcakes. Like, it just smells like everything bakery wise. It smells super good. She also gifted me this concealer. Like I said, I just have to keep testing it out and seeing if this works well for me or not. If not, I'll gift it to a friend or, you know, whoever that can use it, or, you know, just throw it out. But let me know if you guys want an update on that concealer. If you have it, let me know how well it works for you, or if you really are digging it. She also sent me the Insta Dry Matte, the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Matte, what do you call these things? Nail polishes. She sent me these nail polishes, and they look really pretty. I also have this Morphe Hazelnut pomade, brow pomade, and it just looks like this. And the pomade looks like this. I'm not sure if this pomade is going to be deep enough for me. It might not be, and I'm kind of scared to swatch it because I want to give this away to someone who could use it. He gave me a dome-shaped it brush, and you just take that off, and it's just a regular schmegler brush. It feels really, really soft. The Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, and this is in the Sunset shade, and this looks right up my alley. These are really, really good for putting underneath your makeup. She also sent over a nice size package of LA Girl lipsticks, and like I said, these feel amazing. The only thing that I don't really care for on these lipsticks is the mechanism that pushes them up and down, because I just feel like that mechanism is really cheap and kind of hard to use. But the color itself, which I am wearing the nude shade on my lips now, I think that's in the shade Snuggle. It is really, really amazing and nice, and I love this color. It feels good on the lips, and so she sent me all of these colors right here. Yeah, Caviar Stick Eye colors, and these are the two shades that she sent me, a pretty like rose gold and then a pretty gold. She also sent over this Laura Mercier Caviar Chrome Veil, which I show you guys. Nice iridescent color, and the wand just looks like this. Is this heavy metal glitter eyeliner, and it's really, really pretty, and I can't wait to use it. This is by Urban Decay, but this is the beautiful red color that she sent me. Look at that gorgeous red. Oh my gosh. Beautiful chain necklace. I'm not sure where this is from, but it looks really, really cool. Also, one of my favorite finds in this whole entire box was this Out and About Blushing Nude Lip Trio from Morphe Cosmetics by Lipstick Nick. Lipstick Nick is an amazing artist, makeup artist. Let me see if I can focus this camera. Here we go. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe if you're not already part of the QueenDollFacee family. And thank you so much for watching. And as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls. And until next time, hasta luego.